Morning. This is Nogra's Splashin dance, so your first juniors dance. I'm just gonna go through. The choreography slow. I'm not gonna really go through any of the grooves or anything because I feel like we're pretty confident with that. This is just in case you forget any little bits or anything like that. So yeah. So from the top it goes 6, 7, 8. You're gonna hit the wall, grab it up here, hit it down here, however you want. Hit the wall. I could bass Little Mama on my lift, lock. I'm not sure what he says, but I'm just going to go with what it sounds like for now. So I could bass Little Mama. You're going to lift your back foot. You're going to step it down. As soon as you step it down, you're going to lift it up, hit it with your hands, lift it up, hit it with your hands. So it is 7, 8. You're going bass and lift and step, hit, step, hit. Once you lift it off there, you're going to jump straight on the knee that's up. You're going to go jump on 100 on my jump to the back. So what I'm doing, Gucci spent 100 on some new socks. That's what that is on. So what I'm doing, I'm jumping 3 times, 1, 2, 3, slowly turning to the back. So from there, I'm jumping 1 and 2 and 3. You're going to be lifting your right leg first, pointing your socks. Step down, pointing your socks. Now when you step down again, that's when you're going to start coming to the front, and then you're going to push that other leg out. This is going to prepare us to come forward. So from Gucci spent 100 on some new socks. I step to push that leg out, and then from here I'm going to be stepping down on the leg that I just pushed out, so it's like a preparation to pull forward, and I'm going to be pulling with my left hand. So I'm going to pull through, like pulling the curtains back. We're coming into the party. Hey guys, how's it going? Let's go from the top and add that bit in. We're almost there. So I forgot, there it is. Alright, so we just go on 6, 7, 8. I could bass, little lift, and step, bounce, jump to the side. Gucci spent 100 on some new socks. I push and pull from here. I'm going to be stepping 1 time to step together. I'm going to be jumping and, that's on push and pull, jump, and there's like a little skirt in the background. You're going to go skirt, stepping back on your left foot, like you got your little steering wheel here or your gear stick, I don't know. Yeah, skirt. From here, I'm going to smash through this pretty quickly. So we are lifting, bounce, and. So to help with this, because I've seen a couple of you struggle with which foot you're stepping and lifting and stuff. So from the skirt, keep your right foot stuck on the ground. So it's stuck on the ground the whole time. So when you lift your back leg, you're gonna lift your back leg to bounce off the front. You're gonna bounce off the front. You're gonna bounce off the back again to go lift and that's when you can lift your right leg back up. So you go lift and. It's on skirt, lift and bounce and then you lift. Yeah, so that foot stays there the whole time. I'm just twisting to the front, bouncing off the front, bouncing off the back, and then I lift. From here, here's the never bring a fake to your spot. So you just lifted your front leg. I'm going never bring a fake to your spot. Our feet are going step and left and right. You can't see, but I lift my heel off the ground there when I go your spot. So from the lift, it goes never bring a fake to your spot. From here, last move, I'm just gonna finish it off and then I'll run from the top. It goes, we're gonna be stepping, we're not stepping yet, sorry. We hit our hands up the top here. We're gonna bring it all the way around, and then we're gonna hit our hip out to the side. It'll make more sense with the feet. We're gonna grab it up here, we bring it round, and then we smack it to the side like that. So I'm gonna grab it, bring it all the way around. When I smack to the side, I'm gonna step out with that left foot. So I'm like almost facing the side. Last move, and then I'll go from the top. As soon as I hit there, he says, what does he say? Dolce & Gabbana on my flip-flops. So yeah, that is Dolce and Gabbana. Oh, on my flip flops. Point into your flip flops, and that's the end. So yeah, from the top, let's go through. I'll go a couple times. One slower, and then I'll go faster for you. So it's 6, 7, 8. I could whoa, little lift and step, hit, jump, and 100 on some new socks to the front. I'm going push, I'm pulling, pull, jump, and skirt, lift, keep that foot on the floor, bounce, and bounce off. Now you can lift it. I go never bring a fake to your spot, and then Dolce and Gabbana on my flip flops. Alright, so I'm going to go one time fast, and then that's it. I might do one with music too if you need it, but I think you guys are alright because you're pretty confident with this one. So from the top, 6, 7, 8. I could base little mama on my lift la. Gucci spend 100 on some new socks. Push, pull, jump, and skirt, lift, bounce, and bounce. Hey, never bring a fake to your spot. Dolce and Cassette on my flip flops. Nice. So that's the end of your dance.